Hi there. In this lecture we are going to look at the step number 3 of how to make the transition, and that is employee expectations. As we discussed the management expectations, similarly there are employee expectations. The employees expect from you that you are going to support them. When we talk of supporting them, it is not that support them outrightly. It means support them for the right cause and right thing. Even help them if you think that what they are asking or demanding is justified. Relate to them. Most importantly, if you had been in the same spot yourself, think what you wanted the most from your boss. Be concerned about their personal lives. Discuss with them if they are open to discussion.
Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more, click the link below in the description box.